No need to grab your W-9 form. Instead, leave the filing process to the third-party experts, legalregistration.com. We will start placing your business name at the top. This should be the legal name of your LLC. If you've got a different name you operate under, a DBA or doing business as, that goes in the next line. Did you know there are over 2.5 million new LLCs formed in the United States every year? You're part of a dynamic group. Now back to the form. For the federal tax classification, most LLCs will check the limited liability company box. Right next to it, there is a space that asks for your tax classification. Most LLCs will enter D for the disregarded entity, C for the corporation, or S for S corporation, depending on how you are taxed. Up next is the address. We will put the address you want the IRS and other entities to use when they contact you. Taxpayer identification number time. If your LLC is a single member and doesn't have employees, our experts can use your social security number. However, if you're not a fan of giving out your SSN, or if your LLC is multi-member, an EIN or employer identification number is your go-to. By the way, speaking of numbers, around 70% of small businesses in the US are owned and operated by a single person. So if you're a solo entrepreneur, you're definitely not alone in the game. Moving on, we can review all the details of the form. Accuracy is key. You want everything to be spot on. Finally, you must sign and date the form. Your signature verifies that the information provided is accurate. And voila! We've successfully tackled the W-9 for your LLC. Now give yourself a pat on the back. And remember, every piece of paperwork is a step closer to your business dreams. To file your W-9 ASAP, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you can call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think of the steps in this video? Do they make sense to you? Please leave your comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay updated with tips and tricks to grow your business to maximum profitability.